Here we finish Kingdom Monera, and now let's start Kingdom Protista. So Kingdom Protista, they are also consist of very small single cell. Means like in Kingdom Monera, they are the unicellular microorganism. In the same way, Kingdom Protista also they are unicellular. But the difference between Monera and Protista is prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Means the member of the Monera, they are prokaryotic, where the nucleus is primitive, where the nucleus is not formed properly. Here in Kingdom Protista, the nucleus is well defined. Here is the properly formed nucleus is there. So the difference is in Kingdom Monera and Protista is that there the organism sorry, in Monera they are prokaryotic, and Protista they are eukaryotic. So they are, as they are single cellular, so you cannot see with the naked eye. You need microscope. So to see these type of organism which are unicellular, microscope should be there. We need microscope to see unicellular organism. So unicellular eukaryotic organisms which are microscopic, they are called protist. What they call? Protist. 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 So what are protists? Single cellular eukaryotic organism which are microscopic. They are known as protists. They can be found in aquatic habitat just like pond, river, lakes, seas, and some may be terrestrial. So they can be aquatic or they can be terrestrial. They can some are found in water and some are found on land. Protists are eukaryote, and what does it mean? Yes, who will tell? Raise your hand. Protists are eukaryote. Raise your hand. Eukaryotes or eukaryotic organism or eukaryotic cell. What do you understand with all these terms? Yes, Shazer. In eukaryote. In eukaryote. In prokaryote it is not well defined, but in eukaryote, true nucleus is there, well defined nucleus is there. Understood? Understood? Hmm. So eukaryotic cells they have well defined prominent nucleus, and they also contain several membrane bound cell organelles. Just now I told you cell organelles are the tiny structure present in the cell which do different life processes for the cell, or you can say different function for the cell. They make different substances for the life process. So they are present in the eukaryotic cell, such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and endoplasmic reticulum. So they are present. They are present in eukaryotic cell. And here amoeba, paramecium, euglena. They are some common protists. Means they just common protists. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, and amoeba move with the help of pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet, means false feet means feet. Why? Because their function is to move. False because they are not prominent, or you can say well defined, means they developed at the time of movement, and they can develop on any direction where they want to move. They are not having well defined prominent legs as we have, but they can move with the help of some finger like projections. They are not exactly like feet, but they just finger like projection, and they are what you can say develop in any of the direction where food is there, where they want to move. So they are called pseudopodia. Pseudo means false, podia means feet. They have false feet. Why false feet? Feet because they help in movement, and false because they are not having prominent, well defined prominent leg. They just develop finger like projection at the time of need, at the time of movement in the desired direction. And paramecium has hair like structure called cilia scattered all over its body. Means hair like structures are present on the paramecium's body which helpful to move, which help the paramecium to move. Euglena has a whip-like structure called flagellum for movement. Here you can see on the page number 41 amoeba, paramecium, euglena. They all are there on the page number 41. Do you have book in front of you? Okay. They have not joined again. Whenever the class is disconnected without ending by me, you just join again. So if it is just disconnected between the class, means between the timing, you just reconnected it back. They were not joined again. Anyway, we'll continue with the same in the next class, because most of the students they have not joined again. Otherwise also time is over. Almost more than 20 is there. So assalamu alaikum, and next time take care. Whenever it end itself without ending me, then just rejoin it. Okay, so assalamu alaikum.